Hello guys, today we upgrade this dirty place into a farm. And now I'm gonna open this ribbon and show you guys the farm. Now I'm done ribbon the ribbon. Lemon 3, beans 3. Sweet, this is the sweet potato. Potato. Green grams. This is the dal tree. This is the spinach. This is tomato. This is the mirchi. This is the spring onions. This is the aloe vera. This is aloe vera. This is the mango. These are the brinjals. This is Tudakua. This is the neem tree. Hope you like our farm too. Like and subscribe.